So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So, in this particular video, we will be learning about process flow diagrams. Not process flow diagrams, activity diagrams, right? Activity diagrams are the advanced step of process flow diagrams. In your childhood, right, in your ninth, 8th, 10th classes, you might have drawn process flow diagrams, which are nothing but flow charts, right? These activity diagrams are advanced to process flow or flowchart diagrams. So process flow diagrams, process flow diagrams does is like it's a sequential order, right? After one step, you will be doing other step. After another step, you will be doing another step. करके it will be like you will be following a sequence process. If there are multiple like parallel events occurring, you cannot draw the process flow in order to show parallel events for particular action. We will be using activity diagrams, right? Enough of theory, guys. Let's go for practical. You can understand it clearly. So, 1 minute. So this is the activity diagram. In activity diagram, in process flow diagram and in activity diagram, there are 3 to 4 terminologies which are common. In activity diagram, there are some terminologies called activity flow, decision, branch and merge, and fork and join. We will be learning about that first. Sorry guys, I'm not presenting PPT for this video. So you can write the notes. Activity is nothing but a particular activity, a particular task. Flow is nothing but the arrows. Like first step to second step to third step. There is a sequence, right? Arrows. Arrows are relationships between 2 or 3 steps. That is nothing but a flow. Flow is nothing but arrows. You can remember it as arrows. Third one is decision. Decision is nothing but we will be representing the decision in a diamond box, and we will be representing activity in a some oval type like circular rectangle, right? So coming to next point, there is a term called branch and merge that will be not present or that will be not there in process flow diagrams. The terminology will be not used in process flow diagrams, but we will be using in activity diagrams. So here, process flow diagrams means flow charts only. Don't get confused. So we will be using terms called branch and merge and fork and join in activity diagrams. So branch and merge are nothing but if suppose two parallel events are there. For suppose take Instagram. After logging into Instagram, you can post a video or you can post a photo or you can see the notifications or you can go to the messages, right? There are different paths. There are different parallel paths after logging Instagram. Branch and merge is nothing but you will be choosing one particular path, right? That is about branch and merge. You will be choosing one particular path. Either you can post the video or either you can post the photo or either you can go and see the messages or either you can see the notifications or either you can edit the profile. So branch and merge is nothing but you will be following you will be following one particular path. This is about branch and merge. Fork and join is something you will be doing similar. You will be doing parallel events at one go, at one act. In one action only, you will be doing parallel events. For example, let's take YouTube, right? Watching video is one activity. Writing comments is also one activity, right? So by watching video only, you can write the comments. You can do the parallel events. You can do the parallel events, parallel activities at one go. That is fork and join. Like fork is nothing but the spoon for which we will be using to eat Maggie, right? It will be having 3 to 4 sub spoons, sub noodles, not noodles, sub needles type. So it's like we can do parallel activities at the same go. Like YouTube comments, we can see YouTube comments as well as we can also watch the video at the same time, right? But branch and fork is nothing but you will be following one particular order. Either you can do the messaging in Instagram or either you can post the video or audio or either you can go for notifications. That is a difference between branch and merge and a fork and join. So these are the two explicit important terms of activity diagram which are not present in process flow or flowchart diagrams. Let's see. Let's practically see one activity diagram. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So this, what you can say, this circle is there, right? The circle is denoted as start. So that circle is denoted as start. That circle is denoted as start. And next, this is a activity diagram for a e-commerce website from the user perspective. So he will be logging in, right? After logging in, it will be checking the authentication. Like, is my email correct or wrong? Karke? Is my password correct or wrong? Karke? If it is correct, na, it will go to next step. If it is valid, it will go to next step. If it is not valid, it will go to login. Up to now, it is okay. Flowchart में ऐसा ही करेंगे. We will be doing flowchart like this only. But this is but from the next step, we will be using activity diagrams. We will be understanding activity diagrams. So after going after checking your login details, you will be going to next pages. You will be landing on the home page. Either after landing on the home page, either you can search the project, or either you can edit the profile, or either you can view products, right? View products in the sense, the products which are already there on the home page. You can view the products on home page. You can do the profile editing, or you can directly go and search the products by implementing or by employing some filters, right? So these are parallel events, but you are not doing it same go. It at one go. You are doing it different goes, right? Different times. So either you can search the project, either you can edit the profile, or either you can view the products. So I'm going to search the products. So what are the steps? See, activity diagram is used in this purpose only, for this use case only, for showing, for visually representing the parallel events. But we cannot visually implement, or we cannot visually represent the parallel events in flowchart diagram. That is the reason why, in order to tackle that problem, we have created activity diagrams. So if I go to search product activity, I can add to cart. I will be searching some products. I will be selecting some products and I can add to cart. Then again, I can cancel the order after adding to cart, or I can make payment. Again, merge, branch and merge, right? I can do this one or that one. That is nothing but branch and merge. Coming to fork and join, I can do both the tasks at one go. But branch and merge is something I can do this particular activity or that particular activity. You can say it as a or. So yeah, in and or logical operators, right? So you can use or for branch and merge and for fork and join. I can do both. I can watch my video as well as I can comment for YouTube video. That is fork and join. I can do only this particular task, or I can do only that particular task is nothing but a branch and merge. So after adding to the cart, I can do cancel. I can cancel the order or make the payment. If I go to edit profile, if I choose the edit profile, I can change the password, or I can change. I can go to my account and I can do something or something. If I go to view my reports, I can watch my payment report, or I can watch my order report. So branch and merge is something I can do this or that. But fork and join is nothing but I will be doing the same tasks at one go. Actually, this example has the example of branch and merge. There is no example of fork and join. But yeah, you understood, right? You can do same tasks, like different parallel activities and the same go. That is fork and join. You can do only one particular task at one go is nothing but branch and merge. Then you will be logging out. And then you'll be ending is denoted or represented with this circle. So this is about activity diagram, guys. In the next videos we will be learning some more about business analysis.